Well, let's make sure that's set up properly. Okay. Cool, cool. Close that out. Okay, make sure it's actually live. Perfect. Cool. Okay. Make a post, I guess. Okay. Create post video URL. 1 second, just making a post. If you have idea. No, that's fine. And yeah, that's good. Hello, Mr. Zmods Gamerman. Yeah, no, I should change my channel name to that. Okay. Post made. Good to go. Your mic is extremely. Yeah, I just need to talk louder. I was kind of whispering just then. And also, yeah, it is kind of quiet. I have it set to 300% on OBS because there's something up with my computer. So, yeah. Okay, so let's go look at some suggestions real quick. And then to figure out what to do first, because I got a lot of them from you guys. Test anything? If you have any ideas, like what I did last time was, um, here, let me pop that up. Yeah, so pretty much, I made a post over here about here. Yeah, and so it's basically like, oh no, that wasn't it. Oh yeah, no, that was the suggestion. So it's pretty much, I do not speak Spanish, unfortunately. Um, it's pretty much just if you have an idea, um, drop it in chat. I'll do chat first. Otherwise, I'm going to be doing what was said here. Let's see. Cursed Halo pistol shoots backwards. I don't know about that one. That one doesn't seem too possible, honestly. Um, Natural stuff. I mean, if you want to drop them, I can still do it. Like, you know. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see. Uh, so this wants a Banshee run, but that will take like an entire video, pretty much. Let's flip back. That'd be like a entirely separate video. Um, what's your question, Captain? A willow tree. Hmm. Uh, I'm gonna say this. I said it, a few times now. I I think my main thing that I'm good at here is scripting. I'm not good at making decorations and stuff like that. So if it's like scripting related, like let me find one for you. Um, uh, can you script a non-weapon like a block to be interacted slash used as a weapon? Uh, I mean, yeah. No, that's a. I can start off with that one. What's the coolest sound effects in Forge? Do you have any cool cannon sounds or something? Oh, I need to pause that. How you got area monitors work? That is, I think I have like different files than some. I know I like I got it from some Discord channel. It was I think Surasia, hard name for me, who did that, who showed me, or not showed me, but posted the fix. Can you make a Razorback shoot something when you use the horn? Ah, that's a good question. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna make a little notepad document for these. So can rain be disabled and stuff with area monitors? Uh, so rain being disabled with area monitors. I think FX you have liquids. You got water drips like this. So I mean, if you have your rain being this effect, you can definitely turn it on or turn it off. I mean, like water drips large, a bit slower than that one. What is this one? Water drips heavy, small, heavy, large. Yeah, there you go. Kind of hard to see, but yeah, that would be the only way. If it was like a screen effect, yeah, it would definitely use up the entire budget. But like, there's no scripting for screen effects right now. Uh, ambient sound, decoration, screen effects. There you go. Yeah, so there's nothing you can do to change this. Um, can let's see. Can you make a Razorback shoot something? Yeah, I think they should definitely add something like that in, but right now I don't think that's possible. I mean, unless you have like the effect following you around everywhere, then like while you're in the effect, you'll kind of get like this. So pretty much just be following you around everywhere you go, and then you can just turn it off. That'd be one way I would you can do it. Okay, let's do the Razorback first. How about a light bridge that dissolves into? Okay, I can do that one too. Yeah. Here, let me pop that back up so you guys can see this little notepad document of the suggestions I'm doing this stream, and if um, I can, I'll get to the ones that are in the comments. There are some pretty good ones in the comments though, so if you message me on Discord, I don't know, I'll say your name, 1997 as Wilco. Yeah, I'll give you those files so you can do it too. And then there's this one was first is scripting a non-weapon. So I'm gonna do that one first. What is the cool sound effects in Forge? I can look at them real quick. Um, let's see. And then Needler Shotgun from Devon, and a Light Bridge as well from Devon. Okay, so just going down the list. Needler Shotgun. I'm just going to do Needler Shotgun first because that is like the fastest thing possible, right? So it's like literally open up that, add a node, uh, go to events on. I like using on player spawn because that um, just will trigger for every player pretty much. Then you go to inventory, give player new weapon, that player, and then I'm going to want to do a variable basic weapon type combination, right? Um, and that's going to be the base weapon of. Oh, don't worry, I don't have PC to play Forge. I was just wondering. Oh yeah, yeah, no, they are. And then Bishutux and I can't remember. It starts with a K. They figured out how to get identifiers working and some other settings, like so I can name things now, and it's looks way more organized, way better. So, okay, so the base weapon, you want a needler shotgun. I'm just gonna do a shotgun as the base weapon. So where's the bulldog at? Bulldog, and then you just come down here, and we'll do the pinpoint needler, right? And then the weapon addition method is just gonna be replace all, wait until complete, doesn't matter. Yeah. Change player camera views. Unfortunately, only for vehicles, I think. Yeah, there you go. Oh wait, that only shoots one. So maybe if I do a needler with the shotgun, with the oh, it's at the top, yeah. Not the breacher, the bulldog. Yeah. Oh wait, how's that for you? it it's a needler shotgun, so it shoots shotgun, but it's a needler. Shoots really fast too. Okay, so there's that one. There's that first one done. Here we go. Needler shotgun. Done. If you're wanting the needler to shoot multiple projectiles per shot, or like a shotgun to just shoot that, you're gonna need to use like IRTV. Yeah. So, one second. Okay. Let's see. So don't worry, thank you. Is there ability in Forge yet to change player camera views? Um, so I believe only for vehicles. I don't know if I said that yet. So gameplay, I'm just doing like these because it's like literally 5 seconds, and then I'll get on to the yeah. So you get this camera distance. I haven't messed with this before, so we'll see what that does. Um, yeah, there you go. So that's pretty much what you can do for that. You can set the camera distance for vehicles, but that's about it. Okay. So delete that. How high does the point limit go? Just curious because I'm looking to either make. I don't know if there's a limit to points. I haven't reached that before. I mean, I know I was up in like the high thousands before, so I'm sure there's gonna be plenty of points for you to be able to use there. Okay, so on to um, let's see, camera views. Yeah, that's done. Come over here. That's done. Okay, so the next one is gonna be scripting a non-weapon like a block to be interacted slash used as a weapon. So, let's see. I mean, have you, if you've played the Destroy All Humans 2 demo, they added Smash in there, and so I can probably do something like that. Okay, that's all good. Um, yeah, but let's see. Okay, so I can do something like that where it's a smash type of weapon. Does that sound yeah? Okay. I think last stream I did a what is it called? A custom gravity hammer that has an explosion every single time you swing it. That one was pretty cool. Let's go. We'll do crate. It's a decent size. Turn off magnets. Then come down to this. Let's get a. Didn't know if you could whack each other with trees or rocks or something. Yeah, no, you definitely can. So let's see. Just do concrete. Just have it be. You know what? No, no. Let's be fancy. Where is it at? I just passed it, didn't I? There it is. We're gonna be really fancy right now. stiffness. There we go. Dynamic. Okay. Now that looks like because I changed it to normal, make a huge course map, and our map's savable now. Yeah, maps can be saved. It's a you have to edit like the Halo Infinite exe and all that, but yeah, no, they you can save them. Like I have all my maps from my videos saved, just so I can like refer to them if I need to, or if possible, release them when it launches. Okay, so you're gonna want to be able to pick this thing up, yeah. So let's see. I can probably attach an invisible button to it. Come on. Let's do this, right? And you can name this. You can name it now. Smasher. There you go. So you get the Smasher. Um, Great for course maps. Did you see the Repulsor Climb video? I think so. Oh, thank you for that. Now that one took me a bit. They got identifiers working last night, and I kind of um just stayed up to like I don't know how late making it. Okay. Maybe kind of Fall Guys and Among Us style maps. That's not controversial. That's like you know, one second. I need to think real quick because I keep getting sidetracked. Um, okay, so for this, I'm gonna need invisible button. I'm gonna make this button like what you use to pick it up, and this right here is just gonna be teleported onto it at its location every single second with them traits. Oh yeah. Reversed area. Yeah, no, that one literally just gets your velocity and reverses it. Okay, so we got the scriptable switch, which I'm going to just rename to because if this is anything like last time, there's going to be a lot of things. Rocket's coming back. Also, to add to that, how would it be scripted? Let me go back to your last one. Bots. What about bot spawning game along with the bots interacting with buttons and switches? I do not know if bots would be able to interact with button and switches. That would probably be like trait zones, I would imagine. Um, or not trait zones. Sorry, we're talking about trait zones. Uh, the boundaries. It probably they'd have to walk in the boundary for something to activate for them, or like a button you would push to do something to the bots. This is Smasher pickup. Right, that's what that one's gonna do. Okay, so you got the Smasher and the Smasher pickup. And what I'm gonna want is for I'm gonna do a event custom every in second. And then that's 10, that's that. I'm gonna want to do an object transform where I get the object's position. Okay, and then I'm gonna oh yeah, no, I stay in an object transform actually, where I set set the object position of this object. Just gonna throw that up here to this position constantly. That way you get that little interact dialogue. Right. So if I did that and went up to the button, also to add that. Oh, okay, I already read that. Yeah. Let's see. I'm probably gonna have to bring it up a little bit because yeah. Or wait, can I? Does this thing have like an interaction boundary? Because that would be cool. Power channel. Ooh. Initially unpowered, one-time use, off. Interact marker override. What does that do? Action string ID. I need to play with this a bit more. The marker that ping lines will connect to. That's weird. I've never seen those before. Oh, I guess I didn't like. I haven't scrolled down into a button, so that could be it. Let's do a cylinder. Show it. Actually, you don't even need to do that anymore. Bottom. Yeah, see? Top. And then let's bring it out as well. And see what that does. Like, oh, if that allows me to do it, that'd be easy. That'd make it easy. More like, yeah, no. There's no interaction. Okay. Okay, so I'm getting the smasher's position, moving that object to it. What I need, though, is a vector 3 and 0, 0, say 10. Can a pulse carbine shots be combined with the sentinel beam? Should be. I can do that real quick. That's like 5 seconds, so. What does this do, though? I need to add it. Yep. So I go add vectors. This will bring it a bit higher, but I just don't want to have to do the whole, what's it called, like you mark it and then it's just like 10 might be too high. Yeah, actually I can turn this on, that way I can see where it's at. Yeah, look at that, too high up. Okay, so we'll do 5. Okay. Do I get that interact thing anywhere? Oh wait, is my HUD literally off right now? Oh my. Okay, ignore that. That was just okay, so the boundary doesn't matter. Maybe. Yeah. Okay. Guys, ignore that. I literally just have you ever made a crusher or something that rolls like a boulder like Indiana Jones? I haven't yet. I can't believe I made. Okay, I was over here so confused, and it was literally just. Okay, I'm just gonna call this good. So next up, the smasher pickup is gonna need to trigger something. Actually, I said I was gonna do something real quick tonight. Let's go events. No, event players on player spawn. I'm gonna want to variable basic weapon type combination, and then inventory. Give player new weapon. Give player weapon of. You said you wanted a pulse carbine shots added to the sentinel beam. So this right here would be sentinel beam, and this is rapid fire pulse carbine. Do rapid fire. Then go weapon, and I want it to just replace all. Okay. Oh wait. That's not really doing much, is it? What if, let me make sure of something real quick. Let's do Pursuit Hydra. That's it. Okay, so let's see. Ravager. I haven't messed with this stuff too much, so yeah, so I mean that's pretty cool. So it doesn't do much, you still get like the beam effect. So you can, it just doesn't do anything really. Okay, so now I'm gonna want this, and while what's up? Damn, or darn no water guns. Can you make a dusty tornado that travels around the map, causing damage to players and slash or the environment? Uh, yes. Yeah. I mean, it would be a lot of scripting. That'd probably just end up being a video by itself. I'll add it to the list, but I might have to do that off stream and just post the video because that's probably going to take me some time. Um, let's go events custom on object interacted. So pretty much that, right? And then when it's interacted with, I'm gonna want to make it like kind of hover in front of the player, right? Can you change the rate of fire of guns? Could they do that by combining weapons? Yeah. No, it will change the rate of fire. It's kind of like you take the well, obviously you're taking the model and like firing effects and everything from one weapon and then just slapping like the configuration of another one onto it. So you can change the rate of fire through that. Yeah, no, it is possible. Just take a lot of scripting, like an insane amount. Okay, so when it's activated, I'm gonna want the smasher object, right? And I want this to be floating in front of the player's face. So to do that, let's go to object transform. Actually, I already have that there. I can just copy it. Player, I want the player's aiming vector. So the player's aiming vector, the player's position, and then the smasher object position. And oh, how about lightning or light? What was that correction? Like you want lightning from the sky? That's possible. Yeah. Sorry. My mic is or my computer. There's something up with my computer. I can boost the volume one more time, but if it starts getting too like poppy, then yeah, then I'm gonna have to turn it back down a little bit just so it's not annoying, I guess. Uh, do you see the indoor map on Forge? I have not seen that yet. Kind of want to see it. Yeah, but you can add lightning to it, and the lightning will follow it around. Here. Well, actually, let me do this math real quick, so I don't lose where I am. Okay. So you want to scale the vector of the aiming vector because this is just like the position the your player is facing, right? So I'm gonna do. I usually do 15 because that gives it a decent like distance away. And then you do add vectors. This sets the position to like in front of the player. And then I believe you. Okay, I know you need to subtract here. So you're subtracting. I believe this one is on top. Because if it's not right, then that'll mess up. And then you want to set the objects. What's it called? Actually, I'm going to want to scale that one more time. Scale vector. This. And I'm going to do another 15 because that will make it snap in front of the player really fast. So then object transform, you want to set the object's velocity. And it's going to be this object here. Right. Okay. Would it be cool if lightning caused damage as well? I mean, that's definitely possible. Ow. What? Oh, jeez. Oh, wait a second. Oh, okay. Yeah, on object interacted. Let's copy this. I forgot. Actually, I don't need to copy that. I can just copy that, right? So pretty much this right here. Can you modify weapon model? No, you cannot. That you can if you use IRTV, but I know that's not what you're really talking about. Okay, so for this, I'm gonna want to clear this connection, clear that connection, and then bring this down here. Save this for later. This right here, though, let's see. Set object position. I'm not going to need that. What I can use though now, because identifiers are working, I can come down to, or go up more like, to events custom, and I can say on custom event, the object is going to be the player, and then it's going to do this, and then the identifier is just move, I don't know, something basic, right? And then I can come over here and say, a logic wait for n seconds. And then turn this to 0.10 because if it's going too fast, it'll literally just crash your game. And then I want, what is it? To, I'm going to need a Boolean variable. Yeah, declare Boolean variable. And it's going to be like called is holding, right? So that it can be local. Then it's gonna say, I guess I don't need the custom event at this point then. But actually, yeah. So then I can say I can get a get boolean for is. Of course it does that. Whenever you hit shift, it like sometimes registers it as being done. So is holding, scope is local, right? Oh wait, I need to move these over. Is holding, right? And then I need a branch, logic branch, condition is that boolean. And then, so if I am holding it, then this branch does need to go further back, doesn't it? Yeah, it does. Okay. So bring this back here, put that here, and then stretch this out, put this here. If true, I want it to do that. Otherwise, I don't want it to do anything. Cool. Okay, so let's just declare, and then it's going to wait in seconds, and then it's going to trigger the custom event, the same event that it is doing. Move. Number, no, don't need anything. And then object is object. Come on, there we go. I can move these down too, and this down a little bit. Cool. Okay. So pretty much this is just going to be like if the player's holding it, then it's going to set the object's velocity, and then trigger the custom event to do it again, to test if you are holding. If it's not, then the loop stops. So this is on object interacted. I'm just going to be wanting to be like, let's go duplicate. If I am holding it, where I get this boolean, that's the condition. And so now I'm just going to want to do a set. So variable advanced, I can set my boolean variable. If true, I'm going to want it to be set to false, and if false, I'm going to want it to set to true. And the identifier is, of course, do it again. Nice. Holding value false, scope local, and duplicate false. Oh wait, yes, I'm going to want it to set it to true and then trigger it, and then trigger the custom event with activating player being the object. So that will start the loop pretty much. Okay. So let's see what oh wait, set object velocity node contains input from multiple events. Oh, okay. Oh, come on. This one. So this is the new one. Set object velocity. Okay. Wait, is that in the other one then? Yes. Trigger custom event node is not connected to any event. So this is just setting the object's position. And I need that a separate one because it does that. Oh, it's this on custom event. I'm going to want it to branch. And then, yeah, okay. That fixed it. Oh, that was wrong. Here, let me change some settings real quick. Streaming. Oh, that is streaming at 4K, isn't it? Wow. It's probably not good for my internet, but whatever. Let's see. Smasher pickup. Oh yeah, okay. I think it's this right here. I think I need to reverse this. So I think it's trying to get behind me. And whenever it does that, it just kills me pretty much. There we go. Might need it a bit closer. So not 15, and then I need it a bit higher as well. So let's do a variable basic vector 3. I can set this to like +5, I believe. And then just do an add vector. Make sure the stream's doing okay. Just because I did get like a weird message. Okay, yeah, cool. Okay, so basically adding 5 is just gonna raise it up a bit, and then bring it in a bit closer. I can change this like 7.5, I guess. That might do it. So now I just need to be able to hit that button while I'm holding it. Yeah, because if I hold it, then it drops it. Might need to be a bit higher. Are able to merge objects into prefabs that can move on their own like a dinosaur or shark. Merge objects into prefabs. Um, I don't know. I'm gonna put that down. I'm gonna I'll copy that. I'm gonna throw that on the list. I'm gonna have to test that out. Um, okay, so yeah, it's in the list now. 7.5. I'm gonna need to set the angular velocity as well because that thing is fixed angular velocity. So let's bring that back. Clear that. Just drop this in the middle, and then it's connected to that. Bring that down, and then I'm just gonna duplicate. Angular velocity is gonna be at 0, just so it's not spinning around like that. Let's see. There you go. It's definitely gonna need to be raised up higher though, and maybe a bit closer. If I change this to like 150, curious what would happen. Oh, a lot of stuff happens apparently. Should kill me, but doesn't. Okay. Okay, so let's not do 150. Let's keep this at 15. Let's bring this up to like 8. Bring this into 5. See what happens. Okay. A bit higher. Say 15. Kind of just hard to guess it, you know. Why is that? Maybe because this scale needs to be like a bit higher. Yeah, I mean, it's just not centered, and I don't like it. So, let's bring this up to 25, maybe. Just keep going up. Closer, and you do want to be able to see, right, as you're holding it. You don't want to just not be able to see if there's anyone in front of you, right? So let's see. What about making grenades equipment with different attributes like the zones video? Um, yeah, that should be possible. I mean, let's see. I'm gonna add that. I'll add that onto the list. Um, definitely be some like I'm interested in that one, so I'm pretty sure other people would be too. Okay, this first one is I know it's taking a bit longer, but yeah. So basically, I want it to like throw a nade and they get frozen in place for like 5 seconds. Uh oh, okay, I get what you mean. Okay. Here, I'm gonna add that extra little bit onto the end of it just so I remember. But that'd be pretty cool. So it's like you throw a grenade, it has a zone around it. Um, somehow get the grenade to disappear and keep the zone there for 5 seconds before resetting. But in the zone, it freezes them. Something like that. Yeah, that'd be kind of like the what's it called? Let me open up IRTV real quick. No, okay. I get distracted too easily. This is why I need my ADHD meds, which I haven't been on for months, or not months, but like a month. Um, okay. So pretty much I want to like a shock grenade, but for gravity. See, I would show. I'll show you here soon because it takes a few seconds to spawn in, but something like that exists already in the game files. Pretty much a complete freeze player. Yeah, just pretty much anything. Just it's like a custom grenade, pretty much. It's has a zone around it that just has any effect that you want to put on it. Like one that just launches people into the sky or some shit. Okay. So I'm gonna need a mark, and I'm gonna want to override marks. So set player mark override. So let's see, triggering. Oh yeah, no, this is perfect because I can, instead of trigger custom event being first, then I can put the mark override after what is it? Sets it to true. Then it's the mark override. And then this is the player being the activating player. And duplicate that. Player being activating player. That way it can be turned on and off. So mark overridden, no. Mark overridden. Oh wait. Yes. Okay, so that will override the mark whenever I am holding the object. Right. And now whenever I do a event on player mark, event custom, no event players on player mark. Out of curiosity, how many different sound effects are there? Map, background, sound, music type of announcers. I don't think there's any music, but I can show you that here in a second. Let me just get this last bit out because it's the last thing I need to do for it. So pretty much, I'm going to want to just get the players. Actually, oh, this is so much easier, right? I get the smasher object, and then I just want to get the object's position, and then I can set object velocity. I need to subtract the call out position. So the position it's going is on top from its position. And then on object mark, this is going to look ugly, but who cares? Object velocity relative false. Okay, let's see if that does it. I'm gonna need to check the boolean, but or set up something. Okay. For some reason, the on mark overridden or set player mark override equals true, as it's holding sets it to true, triggers the event. Yeah. So I can do a events. How do you set an identifier without the identifier node? So you can just type it in. Like you can go over to this and hit identifier, and it'll still bring it up. Can you turn your mic up? I'm on max volume and can barely hear you. I can boost it again. Let me know if it gets too poppy or annoying. I don't know if I can do any more though, because it says 500% in OBS. I can turn down the gain volume a little bit more. I know my mic is really quiet. There's something up with my computer. I can try talking a bit louder. Maybe that will help, but I I I need a desktop computer. I'm using a laptop right now. I need to yeah, I like I said last time, I can deep throat if you want me to, but like it it won't sound nice. Okay. Setting object velocity, I need to scale this vector though. And also I'm gonna need a boolean to make sure I can the player is what's it called? Result velocity. Um I want to go players and I want to say get is mark overridden, right? And then I can get like a branch here. And it'll be like that, that. If mark is overridden, then I'll set the object's velocity. Otherwise, do nothing. Yeah, so it's not working. Whenever I pick this up, it hopefully should. It's not overriding it. I don't get that. Because that should definitely, like, override my mark, right? So, set. How about I put this first then? Right? We'll set these ones first. That way, maybe it'll help guarantee that it actually goes through. Okay, so is holding, right? If it is like, let's see, if it's true, then I'm going to want to turn things off pretty much. And if it's false, I want to turn things on. Right? And then I want to trigger the loop. So, unless this is broken now for some reason. Why can't I? That's so weird. How it's not. What happened? Yeah, that got messed up a little bit. Maybe a bit further away from the character. Just a tad. Bring this up to 8. How many checks are there? Are you talking about conditions? You know what? Let's see. Mm-hmm. Set. Let's clear these pins. We'll just do that. Sorry, make the first test a hard one. Oh, you're fine. You're fine. I'm almost done with it. I just need to get a what is that true? I just need to get this thing throwing, right? Okay. A little off topic, but is there still yes, there is. Okay, I'm gonna give up on that whole this, right? Because for some reason it's glitched out where setting the mark override just isn't working. So let's ignore that for now. Because it'll probably be fixed in the actual release, but right now I can't do that. So let's just do that. Ignore the fact that even if I'm not holding it, I can throw it, right? So now I get this. Come on. Oh, Jesus. That killed me immediately. I wonder if it still thinks I'm holding it. No? That's good. Where's that? Whatever, I'll just respawn. They work pretty well with scaling, I would say. That thing just launches, like, maybe it does need to be a bit further away. Like, let's that's supposed to raise it higher. Clear that. Clear that. Bring this back here. Move this forward. Maybe. I'm going to set this back to 15. But I don't want to. Oh yeah, that's really high up. Oh, that's perfect. Yeah, you have a cube that is now a weapon. But you can't really turn it off now. Yeah, it's that 25. I need to set this to like 5. Okay. Then I'm just going to spawn in some bots real quick, and we can use it on some bots. Oh, is it marking the cube? It is marking the cube. Yeah, okay. We'll do it a bit higher then. Let's go like 8. 8 should be good. And then this should be the final version of the death cube. Because you can do this, and then you can bring it close to you, and hopefully disable it. Hey, look at that. Disabled. Cool. Is it still marking? Oh, wait. Yeah, it's still marking the cube. A bit higher. Do 11. Okay. Trial and error. Oh, that is so much better. Did I lose my ability to mark? Okay. Maybe I can increase like the force of it. So like, where's it at? Where's the force? This right here. Turn it up to 20. Oh yeah, and then let me also spawn in some bots and go. Oh, not that. That's not what I wanted. Sorry if you're. Yeah, a lot of people say it. I don't, there's not as much as I hate it. There's not much I can do. Like, it's something with my computer. I need a new one. Like, I've tried time and time again with like USB mics. I reset my computer multiple times. I've, tried a bunch of other stuff, and it's up to like 400% now on OBS, and yet it's still quiet. So, yeah, I'm sorry. I wish there was something I could do to help fix it, but you sound fine on your end. That's good. At least some people I sound good on. Okay, so let's go events on gameplay start. I'm gonna want to do for logic for n iterations. There can be a maximum of 8 bots. Let's do 8 iterations. I'm gonna want to spawn in a bot, add in bot, execute per iteration, bot team. Let's just let's do recruit so they're not too difficult. Hazard. There we go. And F6. There we go. Now we got some bots to fight. After I do this, I'll read some more of you guys' comments. Oh, wait, where? Oh, that dude just got launched. Come on. It is really hard to hit people with it. It is insanely hard. Where's my cube? Yeah, let's do this one more time. Oh yeah, no, you're right about that. Oh, killed me. Somehow I managed to off myself. Let's see. Okay. Oh, come on. Ow. Death cube for the win. Oh, I can't mark anymore. Okay. So the death cube works. Yep, there's the death cube for you. Let's move that there. Okay. Um, let's see. Little type magnets. Blah 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 blah. Sound fun mine. I think there's I was thinking of sort of ice grenade would be cool if it hits the ground, area effect, or it freezes people in place. Did I add that one in there? Yeah, I did. Yeah, no, that one. I'll end up doing that one. Usually make a sword and hammer that deal no damage. The sword will freeze you, and the hammer unfreezes. Oh, that'd be pretty awesome. I don't know if you can affect damage, but I'll put that. I'll put that in there. I'll put that on the list we have. Okay, so that's two down now. Let's go done. If there's anything I forgot, let me know. Razorback shoots something when you use the horn. Um, I don't think there's anything for that. I'll look at it real quick though. So that would be under like inventory, and it doesn't really have ammo. And I don't know if you can get like the vehicle ammo. So I don't think I can have anything happen whenever I honk the horn without mods, of course. So just because there's no events like available for it. If it was like on trigger pull or on weapon fire, then yeah. But the only way to get on weapon fire is if I set the ammo to 1, and then every time I run out of ammo, I trigger something. So let's see, we've got a light bridge that dissolves slash disappears and reappears. Or do the needler shotgun. Yeah, I'm sorry. Was it if he's still in here? I haven't seen him talk in a bit. It was Tommaso. I cannot say that last name. This one is Devin Redmond, if he's still in here. With the light bridge. So, can you edit pieces from existing maps, like for making this bridge destructible? What, this one? I'm trying to understand, but I think that's what you're saying. Tiny mongoose, tiny mongoose. You really want that tiny mongoose? I mean, I don't. I haven't watched the video on how to do that. I mean, I can assume how it works, right? So let me get a little platform, just so we're not building here. Yeah. No, you can't. Unfortunately, you can't edit anything that was pre-placed, like even these and the pre-placed spawn points. So let's go floors. Actually, we'll go down to structures, floors. Yeah, the start floor. There we go. Just got this massive piece of not terrain, but work area, I guess. And then I just need to set up a. Oh wait, just this. Okay, so this is the cube of death. Let me get a pointer down so I can spawn. Can you increase or decrease player size each time they kill an enemy? I don't think you can mess with player model sizes. I think the small Mongoose. Where can you play Forge? If you had the campaign co-op flight, then you can play it. Yeah. Okay. So let me get a pointer down just so I can set a spawn point for myself. You can't hear. Uh, yeah. I don't know how to help you. If you can't hear, then me talking isn't going to help. So, oh Jesus. Let's get a script brain. Get that down. Turn up your volume. Yes. Um. So let's go add object references. I don't need the script brain. I can just say events on player spawn. Events players on player spawn. Uh, make sure like it's not a bot, so I can say logic branch uh, bots get is bot. That way the bots just don't, you know, spawn right where I am. Then I'm going to want to get object position. Yep. And then I want to set, I can just, yeah, do that. So if false, set this object. Just move this a bit closer to this position. Cool. Okay, that should do it. Yeah, now I spawn up here. And all the bots are still down there. Cool, cool. Repulsor bowling. That would be cool. I think what's better though is that golf thing that they did. Um Light bridge. Yes. I don't know if I'm saying like I forget who it was. Was it Artifice? It wasn't Bishu. Okay, I forget who did it, but someone did like some golf, like scripted golf, and it functioned so smoothly. It is amazing. Okay. So let's start off with like a ramp. Just get like ramp. Do something like that. Right. 159. Do that. Want a light bridge. Let's see. It's at 60. So that's 10. That's 20. 30. 40. Yeah, I'll do 40. Right. So let's see. How would I end up doing a light bridge? Because it's like if I get like lights, forerunner light, support pillar, do this floor trim thing. Let's make it out of the sandwich. Yeah. I don't know if that would count as a light bridge. That'd be a sandwich bridge. Okay, so I can put that there. Center it. Let's see. That's gonna look ugly. I'm just gonna do like with FX because there's a lot of things to go through. So let's just do let's do it like, you know, not too cleanly. Do this. Can you write your own scripts like some scripting language like Python or Java? No, no. It's only through the node graph. Unfortunately. See, okay, I'm gonna say this again. I am not good at designing, so do not, judge how bad this is gonna look. Bring that down. I have to minus there. Yeah. You asked for a light bridge, didn't say I have to be a pretty light bridge. Right. Make a really small light bridge that you can jump across. Yeah. It doesn't matter. It's just a concept, more like. So yeah, it's. I'm not gonna do anything crazy because if I do, then it'll take up a lot of time. Just get some darker colors on here, just so we can see it better. Um, did he already test the vehicle welding? I have not tested vehicle welding today. So honestly, with a light bridge, all you're really gonna need is like that, and I'll say a blocker, player blocker, and let's do 16 by 2 by 8. Can I resize this? Of course I can. This is 26 by 12. Do they have a 26 by 12 in here? 20. I really wish we had search, like we can search through this stuff. 26. No? By 12. 2 by 2 by 2. 4 by 4. 8 by 2, 8 by 32, 8 by 8 by 8. Let's just get this. No, because I'm going to have to set multiple then. Nice and dirty. We'll have to check here in a second. Oh, I hope they do. Um, I really, really hope that they add in that search feature. It'll be so useful. Yeah, that thing disappears. So you're gonna want. Where's the little? So hard to see. There you go. I wish this thing had more visibility. Like, it's so difficult to see. Change it to a different color. Let's do gold. Gold is very easy to see. There we go. That's cheap and easy. Nothing crazy. Gotta remember that. Otherwise, those take way too long making this thing. That's off a little bit. Okay, so now let's just go back to that blue color, I guess. Back to the blue color. Do you use mouse and keyboard for Forge, and have you tried using trackpad? I use mouse and keyboard, haven't tried anything else. Yeah, you can even disable no clip. Can you show us what the Forge monitor looks like? Yeah. Let me open up IRTV for you. One second. Oh, I hope this works with this version. Wait, hold up, plugins. Oh, this is a broken version of IRTV. Wish I had saved. Set pointer. Is this thing already set or something? Where's the pop-up for that? There it is. Yeah, let me go undefined. Hit load. Here, I'll just display. Close that out. There we go. This is gonna take a second to do its thing, so yeah. Okay, so next up I need to pretty much just spawn these things in on a button click, and that's pretty much it. Just so yeah, it's pretty much like if I grab all of it and then move it down, right, then come here. Oh wait, I'm gonna need a new let me bring this back up. New pointer. Duplicate for the light bridge. Then I'm gonna need all of this. Boom. The add object references. And then I can delete that. And so pretty much I'm just gonna go like wherever it's at. No, don't do that. What? Minus. Okay. And then it's at 479. Oh wait, no. It's at 162. So I'll bring it down to 150. So I need to increase it by 12 pretty much. And then I just need a button. Gameplay, scripting. Let's do Forerunner. Again, not pretty, but I'm doing what you guys ask. There's definitely a way. Yeah, no, this is my 4th live stream, I think, in like a week. I believe. Right. So yeah, no, I do like I plan on doing a lot of live streams like this. It's just like until Forge comes out, you know, or even after that, if people just want help with working their scripts out, then yeah, I'll be I'll be streaming and helping and doing what I can. And yeah, my mic is quiet because my computer is bad. That's the only way I can put it. One of your old piece windmill symbols from World War II. Old piece windmill. I don't know what you mean by that. So have you not talked through Pretty Genius to free our I have not talked to 3 for 3 or any 3 for 3 employees. This out on Series X because I only got 100 gigabytes on my PC, but I want to try it. It is not out on Xbox yet. Events, custom on object interacted. Build a hot dog. If you insist. Okay, so pretty much it's just gonna be like um, object transform, set object position, and then get object position. Right. You get this, 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 and that. I'm gonna stack it here. I'm gonna want to get all of their positions. Oh, come on. Just so I don't have to type in coordinates manually because that takes forever. And it also allows me to move things around and still get the same effect. Because if it's like tied down, a fat, juicy, succulent hot dog, yes. Um, yeah, but if it just allows me to move things around because it's not tied down to specific coordinates. Um, and I'm going to want a variable basic vector 3. And then I'm going to want a bunch of add vectors like that. Duplicate, duplicate, and duplicate. Here, 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 and there. And then I'm just going to need 4 of these. And I am not organizing this because that will take too much time. You're about to see like everything just look really ugly. So first off, that goes there, goes there, goes there. And then this is for this object. And then this is for this object. That is for that object. And that is for that object. Now for positions, you're going to need to get the positions. And then you're going to want to add these two. Okay. Wait, no, that's just adding to itself. That. Okay. And then position, position, position. Yeah, I mean, thank you. I appreciate it. Nice. You've definitely helped me get started with zombies maps. I appreciate your expertise in helping show people the potential of infinite fortune scripting. Yeah. It's a light bridge. It's a. Yeah. Oh wait, did I have something from you? No, I do. Yeah, it's a light bridge from Devon. Yeah. Let me turn that one off. Yeah. Oh, you heading out? You have a good day as well then. But yeah, no, I enjoy it. I enjoy helping with however I can. And you know, best way to like really see like the full potential of it is to just share what you learn. You know. Bomb. Done. Uh really bad looking light bridge for you. Okay. Now I can move on to the next one. Yeah, so you come up here, you push the button, light bridge. And I could easily script it to turn it off just by pretty much adding a branch or like a boolean onto it that determines if it's on or off. If it's on, it'll uh, let's see, if it's on, it'll subtract instead of add, and that's pretty much it. So by the end of season 3, I think September. That's what I've been hearing. I've been hearing a lot of September. So I'm fingers crossed for September. Um, okay, so this tornado truth, if you're still in here, it was truth and entertainment. That is an entire map. Just so you know, that's a lot of scripting. I'm going to keep it down, but I'm not going to be doing it today. Merge objects into prefabs. This one's for Jacob. Oh, he just headed out too. And move on their own, like a dinosaur or a shark. This node graph is so good. Have you seen? Here, let me show you this one. This one was the idea from Captain Direwolf. This right here. Let me come down. Okay. Come on. There you go. Oh, that just offed me. Hot dog. Yes, I know you really want a hot dog. It is. It's going pretty good. Just killing people with blocks. Come on. There he goes. Oh, that just launched me. Yeah, this idea was from Captain Direwolf though. Infinite Forges. Infinite Forges. I'll just use your full name. Come on. That yeah, it's kind of broken a little bit, but here's the scripts for it. Yeah. A lot of just handling the interaction and all of that. Like you can do that, and it'll fling, and then you can, ow, bring it to yourself, and you can drop it. Use the interact, kind of like its own weapon. Then just, you know, really simple. If someone wanted it. Is it possible to make boost equipment be able to splatter enemies with your body? Uh, okay. Just because I like that idea, I might end up doing that one. After, let's see, merge objects into prefabs, more on their own. I think Jacob just left anyway, so I'll just move that one down. Um, Grenades having their own attributes. That one's going to take me a bit, but let's see. Uh, have you made anything that affects the player's health? I'm just trying to understand how to set max health when the only note I see is get object health, but no set. I don't know if there is a way to set object health, honestly. Or yeah, because I was gonna do something for a vehicle, but it's just there's nothing for it. It seems like volumes, a safe volume will not be affected by the kill volume. It's not gonna like protect you from death though. Yeah, I'm not too sure. Is it possible to apply the Banshee and Wraith boost to other vehicles? Um, I don't know. I haven't messed with vehicles too much. Let's see. So you can get vehicle type. I think the, let's see, vehicle gunner, passenger. Oh, yeah, I don't see the scale and destroy vehicle is how you would get like the small ones, I believe, if I remember correctly. It's more of a glitch or something. I don't know. Oh yeah, someone asked what the monitor looks like, so let's go to sidearm. 1 second. Let me just answer this one real quick. When's Morbius Slayer 2 coming out? Okay. Okay, 1 second. Create biped. Then let's go monitor. Poke. There you go. Bam. This is what the monitor looks like. There. It has like a golden shine to it. Okay. And then who was it talking about the equipment? So Jesse Guerrero, is he still in here? Can you make fun game? I probably, I would imagine. So this one is for, I think his name was Jesse. He wanted the custom equipment that had like gravitational effects. Oh, gun game, fun game. I was like, I mean, I guess. So he wanted the custom equipment that like affects gravity and stuff like that. Which one was this? This is the gravity burst. Yeah, okay, well. I'll just show you like what's in the game right now. Like there you go. So that's the gravity burst, and then this one, I'm gonna die before I can. Stasis field pickup. No, come on. There you go. And that's that one. Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty much just like a gravity field that pulls you in and all that. Let's see. Where is that going to spawn at? There it is. Yeah. You know, nothing crazy. Yeah. Okay, so that one was like the equipment. It's like throw a nade and get frozen in place for 5 seconds. Let me think, because I need to. That one would take me a bit, I think. I mean, I could sit here and I could try and figure that one out. Unless what do you guys think? Should I make a custom like a grenade that freezes people, or can you make something like keys, objects that you can grab and open certain doors? Yeah. Like in campaign. Oh, here we go. Actually, there is something I wanted to try out because I saw it somewhere, right? So if I get like a I'll say banished switch, or no, let's not do a switch. Let's do game mode. Is there a way to just power seed spawn? Will this just work, or do I need to set it? How does? Okay, I think that's be in the specific game mode. I was gonna use a power socket and give it a power seed to see if I can turn on like something. I mean, I could just spawn one in. Can you change the gravity so you can control it like the one gun? Change the Can you change the gravity so you can control it? Oh, look at that. Cool. Let me just. I love these bots. Oh my god. Oh, okay. Pause that. And let me just get rid of these guys. Report unwanted. Report. Okay. And then hide user from channel. Cool. Can you make it so you can control grenades in the air like the one gun? Hmm. Uh, yeah, but the batteries, but with custom objects. Yeah, that's what I was trying to do. I was trying to spawn in one of these, like one of the power seeds, so I can put it into the socket. But yeah, because if you come down here, like required carryable object. It looks like you can potentially change this interaction hold time. Uh, yeah. Okay. This is I'll have to play with this like in my free time. Um, yeah, but let's see. From the ideas I have right now, it is a tornado that travels. That will take a long time, pretty much an entire video on its own. Merge objects into prefabs, move on their own like a dinosaur. So let's see. I'm gonna need another one of these. Then this one's simple because I can just grab like a couple items and then put it here. I believe you can. I could be wrong though. Like you want certain objects in a prefab to move independently of the other. So like create a prefab, right? And then Spartan laser. Can you make control grenades? I have an idea for the grenade one. Can you make a bong when you hit it? It affects your movement. Yeah, yeah. No, you definitely. That is definitely a thing you can 100% do. No, I'm being serious with that one too. You can definitely do that. What's okay? Did I? That's the one I just copied in, right? I just don't want to delete anything. I think that's it. Yeah. Okay, so delete these. Add object. No, not the script brain. Prefab 0. Oh wait, static. Uh. Oh, is it? Wait, why do I keep hitting the wrong button? Ungroup. Do dynamic. Norm. Oh no, no, no. Fixed. Phased. Yeah, yeah, you can. Like, here, let me show you this script real quick. So pretty much, this is just me setting my spawn point, right? So you get is bot, and then the condition is here, right? So if it's a bot, don't do anything. If it's a player, spawn the player at the pointer. Like if I like cleared that out, and just did that. Uh, yeah, there they are. Yeah, and this guy's just chilling here now. Oh, that broke the map. Oh, okay, it's back. Okay, so let me clear that, that, that. Yeah. Now you can easily make your own mini games with this one. Okay, but you wanted um a prefab that can move independently. I mean, yeah, it. I have to actually try this because I don't know for sure. I believe you can, but I could be completely wrong with that, and I don't want to be. I don't want to say something and just have it not be true. Okay, move that there. Then let's no, not that one. It's E. Create a prefab. And then not that script, but this one. Okay. So it gets the parent of it, I guess. Hey, did he do the haunted? No, I didn't. Not yet. That's on the list. I'm just doing some of the ones, but now that you mentioned it, I can definitely give it a go. Can you do Morb Slayer? Can you remind me what that is? I I do not know. It's like Morbius, but Slayer. Yeah, I mean, if you could put in custom audio, you can just like have it constantly repeating its Morbin time. Just normal Slayer, but that's all the difference is. Okay. And let's just go Vince custom every in second, blah blah blah. 10, and then I'm just gonna be like, let's event players or object transforms, right? Get the object rotation. I want to set object rotation. I want a variable vector 3 and math of add vectors. So now it's going to be that. Get object rotation, set object rotation, vector 3, z of 10, add vectors of this and this. Make sure these are 0. And then that rotation, relative, false. There we go. Okay, so they're in a prefab. One is moving independently of the other. Oh, yeah, I think I've seen it. Now that you talk about it, I've watched quite a bit of his videos. Yeah, but so expected better, not a true Morbster. Yeah. Oh, okay. I uh I I s- I know. I disgraced. Disgraceful. Okay, I'm gonna need to restart my game because it just keeps yeah, and then all of the dynamic stuff is gone. Weld a pull with the coil at the end of at the end on the end to the vehicle and just joust. Oh, that's smart though. I need to restart. Oh, I didn't save, but it should have saved whenever I was typing things in. So yeah, no, easily. Like it is easy to make really nice looking maps for like not like dev level like how Infinite Forges does it. Yeah, but I mean if you don't find it fun, you don't find it fun, but like if people find it fun, they're going to play it. I find it fun, so I play it, you know. It's all personal likes and all of that. Uh Dan Tessar. Just need one that I haven't launched. There's an issue with Halo Infinite servers. What is my Imvar thing on? Imvar is on. I'm gonna have to restart probably. Mode is that 343. Let's do BR2. Play. About Beeps actually peeking into the game mode file. Nothing like too crazy. I mean, like it's just Forge, I guess. I don't know. Okay, so where were we? Um, let me hop into some comments real quick from my last stream. Hey, 1.1K. Awesome. Okay, so is this one. Let's see what we got in the comments over here. Um, drop a tank with a button. That's like kiosk. That's kind of like what I did with the trash compactor one. Um, yeah, Joseph. Object to fall used when you're not looking and stops and looking away from the object. That one will probably take me some time because I have to somehow get that I'm looking at it, and that requires like what is it? It's called like ray casting or something like that. Um, and that's not necessarily possible. I can get the forward, but like, yeah, it's like I don't know. I'll have to think on that one for a bit. Dual wielding, no. Mario Kart power ups. I could do a Mario Kart power up. That one is pretty easy. Someone made PT demo. I can try. Okay, yeah, but I'll do a Mario Kart power up. How's that sound? That one was from his name is Ice Dude. Okay. So I'm gonna just remove this stuff and that brain. We're gonna get ourselves a warthog. Or let's not do a warthog. Cards will go. um, even reach had a way of detecting when the player's looking at. Yeah, there's just no way to raycast. I mean, you can. The only way like is really with what is it? Um, only works on local though. Only way I know is with marking, and that just gets your mark position. Um, I could get the player's aiming vector, and see if there's a way I can get in between a range of values from like the player's position to a position far away, and if it's in between that range, then maybe, but that would require me to do a lot of trial and error that I'm pretty sure a lot of people probably don't want to watch. So, so let's go for make a fully functional mantis. Yes. Yes. Mario Kart Mushroom Boost using Ghost Banshee or Wraith Boost. Um, meh. I don't know about that one. That one was like because those ones have weird physics. Like they don't really increase for too long. Like when it comes to boosts, but with warthogs, actually, yeah, warthogs work better with messing when you're messing with their velocity. Um, so pretty much what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna get like um, let's see. I'm thinking hologram. Yeah, let's do Cortana. We can use this as like the little, like this thing right here is the power up, right? So let's see. Could you modify a bounds and attach it to the Spartan and rotate it? Um, maybe. I mean, you can definitely rotate it and attach it to a Spartan and have it like facing forwards, you would have to get the what is it, aiming vector, maybe set it to something that has a normal physics, so you can um, mess with velocity, so it like stays in front of you very like really. I mean, you can just do set position though, actually. So yeah, no, you can do that, but rotations might be a bit difficult. Yeah, nah, I have to think about that one for a bit. Why stop? Oh yeah, an entire Gundam with functioning controls from the inside. Okay, let me get started on this though. Boundary, we'll do a cylinder. Um, oh no, I don't need to show it because now you get, there we go, that. So the top 3.5, bottom 3.5. We'll do this little thing right here, right? Um, come on. What is happening? Why is, there we go. Okay. Let's give it a bigger radius, about like 6, 7. Yeah, there's definitely gonna be some janky way to do it, but yeah. Okay, so pretty much this is your power up right here, right? Now, I'm thinking, you know how like you can get like, what is it, 3 red shells or something like that, and then they'll yeah, honestly you're just gonna have to max out the video volume and your device volume because I've tried fixing my mic for a long time, so it's not going. There's nothing else I can do. I just need to do a computer, honestly. Um, so you have like 3, what's it called? Red shells just orbiting your person, and if anyone touches them, then they get hurt. So I'm thinking, what if I do that to this? Like the vehicle enters, and then you have a bunch of fusion coils just orbiting you. Sonar AoE to a region field. Make a Prius region filled. I don't even know if there is a region field. I'd have to look into that. But let me I keep getting sidetracked. My bad. Um. Okay, so whenever you enter that, I'm gonna need a brain. You here. Gonna need a brain. This and we'll do like 3 fusion coils. Right. As normal physics. There we go. And so pretty much what I'm going to want, do you make double dash? Double dash. Like where you just use dash twice? I mean, that's possible. Okay. So for each and every one of these, I'm going to need multi-exists. Double dash is game mode, probably. I don't know. Multi-team with Forge. Okay, so I'm gonna need 3 pointers. Right. Um, sorry, just a bit of. Okay, pointer. Let's see how long I've been streaming for. 1 hour, almost 2 hours. Okay. So I'm gonna need 3 of these, right? And then I'm going to go to, what is it? 60 degrees. Or no, let's do 30 degrees. So that one's straight. This one is going to be here. Let's see. It's oh, okay. Okay, so that one 12, 13, 509. Okay. And then we can do this one about like that, yeah? You'll understand why I'm doing this here in a second. Think less of a rotation on this one. Yeah, like that. Okay, so this is what we're going to be using here. Is all 3 of these. Now, pretty much what I'm going to want is each pointer to have their own fusion coil, right? And I'm going to need 3 script brains for this. Right now it's just red. Okay, so I'm going to need 3 script brains because they're all going to be running at the same time, right? And I'm going to be naming these, that way I can keep track of everything. That was okay. Okay, I need a 1 second. I'm gonna be right back. Just need to grab a drink and some things. Okay, sorry about that. I am back. How are you still playing Forge? I thought it was part of the co-op build. Save the co-op build somewhere else. Yes, the kiddos are barking. Um, uh, if you have the files, you're good, pretty much. Ways to know which is good, how you save maps, watch controls. What controls do you have over posing NPC bodies? You have no control over that. You just have like different variants of dead bodies that are already pre-posed. I'm sure force color option might be. You guys think he'll make a Prius? Yeah, he really wants to make a Prius. And did he also want me to make a hot dog? Like I said though, I'm bad at design, so okay. Okay. And so pretty much I'm just wait, did I name these all 1? Why did I name them all 1? I need 1, 2, and 3. There we go. 3. Thank you. So 1. What? 11. 2. 2, 3. There you go. So this one. F1. Fusion coil 1. F2. Fusion coil 2. F3. fusion coil 3. Right. So I'm pretty much going to be doing the same thing I did to pick up that object, right? But let's see. This is going to be script brain 1, 2, and 3. Focus on 1 first. Just touching. There you go. Okay, so this is S1, S2, and S3. Okay. So S1 is going to need 1 and 1. Just give the warthog bigger wheels. Warning. Weird. Okay, so you got these, right? So this is the brain, don't need that. Fusion coil 1. Oh wait, no, I needed 1. This is S1 for script brain. Whoops. So I need 1 and F1. And that's it. So pretty much, I just want events custom where every that many seconds I have 1 being rotated on the z-axis. So it's going to be math, add vectors, and then scale vector, not scale. What is it? Oh yeah, it's a variable basic vector 3, and then object transform, get object rotation, right? So I want to get its rotation. I want to add in like 10, and then I want to make sure these are 0. Don't know if anything bad will happen because of it, but yeah. Let's see. So okay, so that will get me the rotation. So I just need to set object rotation here. Actually, it's this that's rotating, and then this is the rotation. Okay, so there you go. That handles how this thing is going to rotate. So then what I need is to go to object transform and get object forward as along with the object's position. Actually, yeah. And then I'm going to need another get object position for that. So pretty much I'm going to bring this up here. That. I can just bring that there, get object position here, right? And so if I get a scale for math, where I'm going to scale the vector of the forward, because this function is just like the what's it called? Player aiming vector. So then I can just do add vectors again. And this will get a certain length away from it, from the way it's facing. And then I'm going to need to, let's see, get this object position. Set object position. I can deal with that one later though. Let's see. So was this rotating? You know what? Instead of rewriting all of that, let's see. This thing has this script brain. And this right here is what is used to get that, right? So I can just copy that, have all the math already done, come back up here to 1, and paste. So now I just delete that and put that here, put this here, that vector, this position, subtract that, 11, scale vector, and then I can say set object velocity 4. It's gonna look ugly right now, I'll fix it up later. Boom. And then velocity relative false. F6. There we go. And so now you got a little orbit. Right. Very, very easy. F6. And now what I'm going to want to do is pretty much do that for the other ones as well. Right. So I'm going to want to, I can actually just delete these first and then duplicate this one twice. And then this one will be 2, and that's 2 actually. That's not right. I'll just rename it. F3. F2. That, and this. Okay. And then I can add the object references. I can delete that. Make something in UE right now. Are we capable of changing the player size? No, not without mods. See, I'm decent with scripting, but when it comes to making, what's it called? Like detailed maps, I am trash. Like I can make some forest scenes, those are easy. You just place grass and bushes and trees and rocks. But when it comes it's I can't make detailed buildings or models. F2, this is F2. So F2 here, this one here. Then this object needs to replace this one. So now this one is being affected here. Okay, so now that should be 2. Oh wait, that one is rotating so much faster. What is happening? Okay. Wait, we can't mod player size. What can we mod about the Spartan? Wait, you can mod your player size. Like I'm talking about using IRTV and stuff like that though. Not like using this. I think the new script tool is more intuitive than what we had in the past. They can item follow you unless you're looking at it. I didn't not yet, Joseph. I was talking about how that one would probably have to be something entirely by itself. Like what I mean is it would be difficult to do it in a timely manner where people wouldn't get where I can include other people's ideas as well. Okay, what happened here though? Vector, get object rotation, add it. This should be adding. Oh, hold up. It's because this one right here actually is doubling it up. So I need to do 3 and 3 and 3. That was my issue, is because this right here is basically just making it go by at 20. So this 3, and then before I delete that, just so I don't mess anything up. Then delete that object, that object. Cool. So now imagine that floating around your vehicle. I take back all the comments about your code after seeing that bug. Huh. We're capable of changing player size, then we can make an attack on Titan game. Yeah. I mean, the. Oh no, that's not going to work on this. Yeah. Quaternion math. Yeah, no. What's IRTV? It's Infinite Runtime Tag Viewer. It's made by me, Gamer Gotten, and a bunch of other people as well. And it's used to just mod. It's like how I you weren't here for that probably, but I spawned in a monitor using it. Yeah, yeah. Um, yeah, and then there's also Infinite Runtime Model Editor, which that one was all me, and it basically uses IRTV's. Well, I guess not all me then. IRTV's tag loading system, so I can load in all the model tags, so you guys can edit it to make it look like whatever, or make models look like whatever you want. Way easier than manually doing it with IRTV. Okay, so now basically I have this set right, but I need to be able to. I'm gonna have to teleport all of these individually, and then all of these directly on or directly over this. So I'm gonna start by just getting another um, script just to do it right now, and then I can figure out how to have it set later. So this is gonna be every in second. I'm gonna want let's see. I can delete these, and then this. I'm gonna add this object reference, right? And then I'm gonna want pretty much all of these um, in there as well, because all of these have to teleport over, right? It can't just um, you know work. Yeah, it was actually Gamer who got me into programming. Well, actually, not like into programming, but like helped me a lot when it came to understanding how to like program. So he sat there and he helped me with a lot of things when it came to that, and like started December last year when the game dropped, and got to the point where I could make my own tools, and I made a toolkit that's similar to IRTV for Destroy All Humans. And when the second one drops, I'll be doing it again. Oh, come on, seriously. Uh, Last year when the game dropped, and let's hide. There we go. Cool. Okay. Where were we? So I need all of these to teleport to the mongoose. So let's just see what happens if I actually hold up, because this needs to be like a one-time thing where all of these get teleported, because these need to be always set onto it, but these need to be teleported at a one time, like in one moment. Um, Yeah, he does some crazy stuff. That Megalograph is just absolutely insane. Like we were talking about it, he's like, "Oh, it's never gonna be done. There's just too much to do for it." Yet he still dedicates so much time to it. It's insane. Um. Okay. So, okay. I need to get the object position for this, and then pretty much just set object position. Um, set object position, or nope, this, where it's first going to be for this object, and false position. Then for the two, still same. Come on, still same position. Eh, eh, whatever. It's gonna overlap. Then this object, that position. Okay. So now, 1 second. Sorry about that. Thought someone was at my door. Okay. Well, you have a good day, Cozy. Okay. So now you get this. Yeah. Works pretty good, it seems. Just need to bring it down a little bit and hope it doesn't explode whenever I do it. Let's see. So this is the, where is it? It's this one right here. Say 5 instead. Let's see where that, oh, that just exploded. Okay, 5 too short. 3. No, why would I go lower? Okay. 8. It's a tad bit lower. Or what if I just move this over here? Yeah. Let's go a bit more and say 5. Bit lower. We'll say 3. 3. Oh, that just messed everything up. 4. Get the lowest height I possibly can. There we go. That's better. Okay, so it's 4. Okay. So I don't know which one I just changed, but let's try this one. 4. Huh. And 4. Oh, wow. Hey. Took a second. How's that for like a Mario Kart power up? Huh. Pure chaos though. Make Warhawk turret fire different ammo, shotgun or plasma, for example. That would be with modding. I mean, I could do it if you want to see me mod, but needle crystals, needler crystals. Yeah, I might raise this up a little bit or down maybe. Yeah, bit higher. Actually, no. Height. Let's do that. Yeah, nope, that didn't like it. Really didn't like that one. Let's start low. Nope. Nope. Well, right there. That really didn't like it. Okay, maybe let me put a delay on this one. Okay. The set object position. No, it's a initial delay on this of about like 0.2 seconds. Oh yeah. 0.2 seconds. Only issue with having this many is like if you need to make changes to one, you gotta go through all of them to do the same exact thing. There we go. Cool. Yeah, I could use like just set position, but that just looks so ugly compared to velocity. Okay, I need to see if I can use it to kill something. Oh, 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 oh. Nope, nope. Of course. Oh, that was off. Select 3, then reset. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Nice. Okay, it's gonna do it again, isn't it? Why is it going so fast? Okay, it's probably just normal speed, but still, it feels fast. I just need to do it slow. Oh, that one's spinning. That's not good. Probably have it set the velocity. And they're all going to explode. Oh, come on. They're relentless. That stuff is so annoying. Like, you really think... Okay, there's probably some kids that'll fall for that, though. I just want to kill, like, yes. Didn't even kill anyone, though. Yeah. Less, go. Less a go, yes. Now I just needed to... Like, it'd be easy if it was, like, a racing map, because those are more more often than not flat, you know, because I already made it in a video where you can throw these. I just kind of want to get them rotating around me whenever I touch that, right? um but it's like, how would I manage that? Freeze tag. um oh, you're talking about the grenade? Let's see. I'm gonna need, whenever I enter that object area, it just sets all of their positions. That's gonna explode though, I already know it. Okay, well, we'll see. Okay. So, variable basics, area monitor, Vince custom, or Vince on object entered area. Oh, come on. Area monitor. Oh, wait. Because this. Then you get that. Right. Yes. Okay. So then in the area monitor, I'm going to want to set a boolean for this one. So it's going to be like variables advanced declare, and then get and set. And identifier is going to be has. I don't feel like putting too much effort into that. Has. Initial value is false. Scope local. Value is true. Local. Has. Okay. So pretty much when I enter the object area, I'm going to set actually the object. I'm going to set the scope to object. Right. Because that's going to be like the vehicle. And then declare boolean value identifier. So this is like just me setting it. So when I enter the area, I'm going to set it to true. And then I'm going to say okay, 1 second. I heard a sound I definitely shouldn't have. Okay, I'm back. I might have to be. After this, I am gonna have to head out though. Unfortunately. But I can definitely finish this up real quick, right? Um, I'm just gonna do it really basic though. So let's go logic branch. Um, if this value here is true, then yes. But other than that, they're just going to still rotate by themselves. Yeah. So they're not on me, but I do this, and then I get them. Yeah. So I would have to set, like, these as well, though. Okay. So I'm just going to be coming over here. And then I can just literally copy these, duplicate, and then I'm just still going to use the same position because I'm trying to be fast about this. cares about it looking pretty. Okay. So and that should be good. Okay, wish me luck. Hopefully this doesn't just explode. Wow. I was not expecting that. Put a logic, wait for in seconds, where each one spawns in that many seconds away from the other. And then, yeah, I went freeze tag. Yeah, I can do that. It might end up being a video, and I'll put you in the description. I'll copy your everything over. Just because, like I said, I do have to go soon, and I hit my 2.5 hour mark anyway, so I got a lot of schoolwork to do. A lot of it. I'm kind of putting it off because I really wanted to do a bit of, yeah. I hope. I kind of called it there. Yeah, but I just have a lot of schoolwork to do, so let's go set it apart, and then I also just gonna do like variable basics vector 3, and I'm gonna just go math add vectors, where if I clear the positions on all of this, I'm going to just want that position plus, like, I'll say 10. That way it's spawning above the vehicle and not inside of it. Because I feel like that was the big issue just then. Okay. So, pretty much, let's see what happens. Oh, come on. I think that's too high. Because I think it's just flinging them into the ground. We'll say 5. 5 should be good. And then it should just, instead of flinging them into the ground, it should, like, be about even. Oh, it's because I stayed inside there for too long. Okay. I just need to kind of fly past it. I could, wait, is it because of that? I don't think it is. Maybe I also need to set, like, the velocity, like the angular velocity. Let's go 6. Okay. I got 2. Yeah. For some reason when I passed through that, it just, like, I don't know. Maybe a bigger delay would help. I'll go to half a second per. Okay. Cannon works as a hazard though. Yeah. It'd be like, it's a double-edged sword. Because, like, you'll definitely hurt some people if it's a race map. But if you crash, it'd probably be better if it was like some static blocks that could just push people away. Ah, it keeps doing it. Oh, maybe I can, if I, let's see, I think this scalar right here, if I set that to 10, it should slow down a little bit and not make it so bouncy. More delay equals more self-damage, apparently. Yeah. Okay, this has to be my last try, guys. But I got it mostly working for a little Mario Kart power up. Oh yes, oh yes, that did it. That did it. The last try, and it was perfect. That one's like freaking out though. Unfortunately, it does slow down the, you know, so it's like hazard to yourself because you can crash into them too. Yeah, yeah, okay. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I'm gonna head out though. Um, well, still like 20. Okay, my biggest continuous like turnout. But again, thank you guys. I'll be streaming tomorrow or the next day as well. Later.